Hello, I'm Andrew Budd, founder and CEO of London-based iProov, and this is our product owner, Gabriel Turner. iProov assures the genuine presence of a remote online user on any device, regardless of brand or platform, simply and securely. We use biometric verification, and iProov is the world leader in adaptive anti-spoofing and liveness detection. Our technology is used by governments and banks worldwide for onboarding, identity verification, and strong customer authentication. Last year, many of you helped us to win the Best of Show title. We have some big new announcements this year, but first let's rapidly see again the services that are already transforming the market. In the beginning, there is secure, compliant onboarding. Our technology is helping customers like ING and Rabobank to cut the time needed for identity checks to well under a minute. So Gabriel is going to demonstrate an identity check using iProov and the optical capture of a document. First, he images his driving license. This part relies on technology from our newest document partner. Now we show users, even those who can't read, what's going to happen next. Then, Gabriel authenticates himself against his portrait photo. With iProov flashmark technology, we're checking that he is real and not one of the many, many, many spoofs that have been tried on us. In seconds, he has passed and the process is complete. Let's look at the debug screen. You can see the low quality of the portrait, which is nearly 9 years old, and the incredible difference in the pose and lighting of his iProov selfie. And yet, performance is dazzling, with low false reject rates and low false accept rates proven in the field. Last year, our demos showcased document specialists GBG and ReadID. In live banking applications, we're working alongside Mitek. And today, I can announce the addition of MicroBlink to our network of partners, and soon more will join. We have a new framework for working with partners who are document, identity, or orchestration specialists. Come and talk to us about it at our booth. Next, Gabriel is going to demonstrate iProov for step-up strong customer authentication. This also uses face verification to authenticate the user. As you can see, he wants to make a payment. PSD2 rules say that it requires strong customer authentication. EBA rules say the factors must be independent. Here, a phone certificate assures possession, and iProov assures inherence. Like onboarding, genuine presence is assured by iProov's unique flashmark technology, and all without Gabriel having to do anything except gaze at his phone. That sequence of colors that you saw on the screen illuminated Gabriel's face. Meanwhile, video was streamed back to our servers where we analyzed the interaction of the screen light with his face. That told us he wasn't a photo, a high-res screen image, a mask, an animated digital avatar, or worse. And because the sequence of colors is different every time, it also told us that he is genuinely present now. In this way, ladies and gentlemen, iProov uniquely protects users against the most dangerous attacks of them all, replays and deepfakes. Experts agree. Last week, we announced that NPL, the UK National Standards Laboratory, has confirmed our performance claims and our conformance to ISO 30107-3, saying we were state-of-the-art. And we're also leaders in usability. In tests by banks, users needed half the number of attempts to complete a transaction than with some competitive technologies. So as well as confirmed security, iProov delivers superior transaction completion rates. Now, some of you saw us here last year. The difference from last year is that thousands and thousands of people are now iProoving every day around the world, whether they're setting up new bank accounts with ING or submitting their details to the UK Home Office. But despite this success, we are not standing still. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am unveiling iProov's latest innovation. Now, we know that faces are brilliant biometrics. And we also know that there are cases in which something new is desirable. Faces are easily recognized public credentials. Some people cover them or don't want to share them. So we're giving them a choice. Today we are launching iProov Palm Verifier, a unique world-first service accessible on virtually any device, And it too is protected against spoofs by iProov's patented flashmark technology. Here's how it works. First, Gabriel is going to enroll his hand in our demo service, in this case, his right hand. An animation explains without words what to expect. Now, Gabriel's phone gives him an intuitive guide to positioning his hand. As you see, when it's in the right place, it immediately scans his hand and with an iProov flashmark to ensure that his palm is genuinely present. So now our palm matcher has enrolled him into the service. Now he's going to authenticate. He's hovering his hand above the phone without touching it. Super easy, and if it's a public device, super hygienic. With that quick, reassuring ceremony, he's finished. No instructions to follow, nothing special to do. Just like iProov Face, iProov Palm is fast, easy to understand, and totally intuitive. While he repeats the process again, let's consider the advantages. Like iProov Face, you can authenticate on any device, regardless of brand or platform. Like iProov Face, it can't be spoofed by copies or replays, and like iProov Face, all the security resides in the cloud. But it also has some unique features. Unlike Face's, palms are never published in social media, so it's practically impossible to identify an individual based on their palm print. That's really useful for applications where absolute anonymity is essential, and it's also great when customers don't want to show or share their faces for some reason. iProov Palm works in any lighting conditions, even outdoors in full sunshine, even on the beach. And if you ever need to distinguish identical twins, then iProov Palms is your solution. This is a very sophisticated technology which we have developed ourselves from scratch. It has many applications, including PSD2 strong customer authentication. Come and visit our booth to try the strong, secure, and supremely intuitive iProov Palm Verifier. Thank you very much.